I see a lot of tech, phones, laptops, cars, but sometimes something just for fun lands on my desk. Lately, toys have gotten seriously futuristic, AI, robotics, and engineering that feels straight out of sci-fi. These aren't just for kids. They blur the line between gadget and toy, making playtime smarter and more interactive. Today, we're diving into 9 next-gen toys that redefine what it means to play. Think drones that transform, robots that learn, and AR that brings your creations to life. It's a glimpse at how the next generation will experience technology for pure enjoyment. This is where innovation gets playful, and the results are mind-blowing. Welcome back to Tech Zone. Let's count down 9 futuristic toys you can get right now. These aren't ordinary gadgets. They're future tech for everyone. Let's jump in. Number 9 is BuddyBot, a sleek, self-balancing robot with a big, expressive digital face. It's not just a remote-controlled device, it's an autonomous companion for your home. BuddyBot uses AI, cameras, and sensors to map your house, recognize faces, and respond to voice commands. It can find your keys, patrol your home, and even play games like hide and seek. The personality is key. It tells jokes, follows you around, and acts like a playful pet. You can check its camera feed from your phone, making it a mini security guard. The build is premium, with quiet wheels and a battery that docks itself to recharge. BuddyBot introduces AI and robotics in a friendly, accessible way, perfect for kids and adults. It's not just a gadget, it's a character that brings AI into your daily life. For a glimpse at the future of robotic companions, BuddyBot is a standout. Let's see what's next. Number 8 is the AeroMorph X7, a transforming motorcycle drone. It's a remote-controlled bike that, at the press of a button, unfolds into a quadcopter drone. The transformation is pure sci-fi: wheels pivot, props unfold, and in 5 seconds, it's airborne. On the ground, it's fast and agile. In the air, it's stable and can pull off flips. The wheels double as prop guards, making the design both cool and functional. Land, transform, and drive away, seamlessly switching between car and drone. The build is solid, with metal components for durability and a well-designed controller. It's not just a gimmick, it's a hybrid RC vehicle that changes how you play. The AeroMorph X7 merges 2 worlds for maximum fun and wow factor. Show this to your friends and jaws will drop. For clever engineering and pure fun, it earns its spot. On to number 7. Number 7 is the TerraForge Mini Builder, a tiny autonomous construction robot. It's like a mobile 3D printer. Design a structure in the app, and the robot builds it layer by layer with a quick hardening gel. The app teaches basic engineering. If your design isn't stable, you'll see it fail in real life. The process is mesmerizing. The robot methodically creates your digital design in the real world. Rugged tracks and a precise robotic arm make it feel like industrial equipment shrunk down. Swap out gel cartridges for colorful, creative builds. It's more than a toy. It's a hands-on STEM tool that teaches creativity and problem solving. For future engineers and builders, this is a huge leap from simple blocks. TerraForge Mini Builder turns your tabletop into an automated construction site. Let's move to number 6. Number 6 is the HyperJet Aqua Racer, a true amphibious RC vehicle. On land, it's a 4-wheel drive armored car with serious torque. Drive it into water, and it transforms into a high-speed jet boat. No buttons, just seamless transition. Wheels retract, a water jet kicks in, and you're off, spinning and speeding across the surface. The sealed, impact-resistant body is unsinkable and self-rights if flipped. The waterproof controller means you can play at the water's edge worry-free. It's tough, fast, and genuinely fun in both environments. No compromises, just a great RC car and a great RC boat in one. The engineering behind the smooth transition is impressive. For anyone who wants to conquer land and sea, the HyperJet is a winner. Let's see what's next on our list. Number 5 coming up. Number 5 is the StarSphere Projector drone, a flying planetarium for your room. It's a safe indoor drone with a laser and LED projector that paints moving star fields and nebulae on your walls and ceiling. The drone's flexible cage protects it, and your furniture, while it flies autonomously. The projection is stunning. Thousands of stars and swirling colors drift as the drone moves. Control everything from your phone. Color schemes, speed, and even orbit mode for a vortex effect. It's perfect for bedtime, parties, or just relaxing under a moving galaxy. The drone is quiet, with enough battery for a full wind-down session. StarSphere elevates the classic star projector with motion and magic. It's a beautiful fusion of drone tech and ambient lighting. Next up, number 4. Number 4 is RoboRaptor 2.0, an AI-powered dinosaur pet. It's not just remote-controlled, it walks, runs, and moves with lifelike, fluid motion. 3 modes: hunt, tracks and lunges, play, responds to touch, plays fetch, and guard, roars at intruders. The AI learns your voice and touch, becoming more responsive over time. Realistic sounds, textured skin, and articulated claws make it feel alive. The controller is Dino-themed, but you can use voice and gestures too. It's both intimidating and lovable, a robotic pet with real personality. RoboRaptor 2.0 is a masterclass in character robotics. It's a thrilling, interactive experience for all ages. Want a pet raptor? This is as close as it gets. Let's see what's next. Number 3. Number 3 is HoloBlock Studio, a brilliant blend of physical blocks and augmented reality. Build with magnetic blocks, then use an AR headset or your phone to see your creation come alive with digital textures and effects. Add AR dragons, knights, weather, and more. Your physical build becomes a living diorama. Move a block and the AR world updates instantly. Knock over a tower and it crumbles in both worlds. The app encourages creativity and storytelling, letting you build, furnish, and animate your own worlds. Race AR cars, furnish houses, or create epic castles. The possibilities are endless. HoloBlock Studio enhances hands-on play with a magical digital layer. It's a perfect fusion of classic building and cutting-edge tech. For creative minds, this is the future of play. Let's move to number 2. The competition heats up. Here we go. Number 2 is NanoSwarm BattleBots, a modular tactical robotics system for real-world battles. Build a team of bots, tank, striker, scout, each customizable with weapons and modules. Control them from a tablet, issuing commands or taking direct control for precision moves. The bots use AI to carry out your strategy, flanking and targeting enemies intelligently. Win battles, earn upgrades, and climb the leaderboards in skill-based matchmaking. It's a mix of engineering, strategy, and fast-paced action. NanoSwarm brings the excitement of video games into the physical world. Deep customization and real competition make it endlessly replayable. It's a toy that grows with you from beginner to expert. For competitive fun and tactical depth, NanoSwarm is a top pick. Only one spot left. Let's see the number 1 toy. Number 1 is the SkyCanvas Kite drone, a drone designed for sky art. It's a hybrid quadcopter kite with a bright RGB LED built for long exposure light painting in the night sky. Draw shapes or words in the app, set your canvas, and the drone flies your design with precision. The result's stunning, glowing images captured by your camera, spirals, messages, or abstract art. The kite design means long flight times for big, complex drawings. It's a collaboration between you, the drone, and the night sky. Use it for parties, proposals, or just to create beautiful art outdoors. SkyCanvas turns any open space into an art studio. It makes light painting accessible and magical for everyone. For creativity, wonder, and pure fun, it's the perfect number 1. The future of play is here, and it's beautiful. Let's wrap up. That's our list. 9 next-gen toys pushing the boundaries of play. From AI raptors to sky-painting drones, the future of toys is smart, interactive, and creative. These aren't just gimmicks, they're packed with real tech, AI, robotics, AR, and more. Play is becoming dynamic, personal, and collaborative. These toys challenge, respond, and empower you to create the impossible. The line between toy and tech is disappearing, and that's a great thing. Innovation is making fun smarter and more accessible than ever. The future of play is already here, and it's amazing. Which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments, hit like, and subscribe.